Hi, I'm Nicole Parmenter from Yale Appliance and Lighting in Boston and Framingham, Massachusetts. Today we're looking at the Kalamazoo Hybrid Fire Grill. Kalamazoo hand builds powerful custom built-in and freestanding grills. Its hybrid system features a combination of gas, charcoal, or wood, which can give you an estimated range of 300 to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on which fuel you use. This is perfect for smoking, searing, and indirect roasting. Let's start with power. The H-shaped brass burners offer full coverage from front to back and have a pyramid shield to shed any ash from the grilling drawers above. The burners are placed below to ignite the hybrid fuel. This distance also prevents flare-ups. The expanded firebox creates more air circulation inside the grill, creating a convection system which lends itself to more even heat distribution, allowing for better smoking and even baking. The Kalamazoo has built-in lighting for grilling at night and an infrared rotisserie burner, and also a warming rack for finishing and keeping food warm. Every Kalamazoo comes with standard rod grates, but they are known for their customizable grates made specifically for fish, vegetables, and meats. These laser-cut grates can also be personalized. Depending on what you're grilling, the flat surface grates offer excellent searing capabilities and easier handling. Who is the Kalamazoo grill for? This is for a grill enthusiast because you have so many options depending on your mood and skill level. It can be as easy as using a regular gas grill, but if you want to add more complexity and flavor, you can work with more advanced techniques. So thank you for watching, and if you're interested in the Kalamazoo grills, come down to either one of our showrooms in Boston or Framingham, Massachusetts.